Hi guys, in this lesson we're going to learn about demonstrative adjectives, les adjectifs démonstratifs. So first of all, what is a demonstrative adjective? A demonstrative adjective is a word which replaces an article and is used to indicate which thing or which person you're talking about. As opposed to demonstrative pronouns which replace a noun, as we saw in the previous lesson, demonstrative adjectives are followed by a noun. Just to make sure everything is clear, in English, the demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. So the main thing you need to know about French demonstrative adjectives is that they don't usually make any spatial distinction, like this and that, or these and those do. However, unlike the English equivalents, French demonstrative adjectives have to agree in number and gender with the noun they modify. So, what are the French demonstrative adjectives? The French demonstrative adjectives are ce, cette, cette, and c'est. Which one you should use depends on whether the noun it modifies is masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. In most cases, if the noun the demonstrative adjective modifies is in the masculine singular, you need to use ce to mean this or that. But if the word that follows the demonstrative adjective starts with a vowel or a silent H, then you need to use cette. If the noun that follows the demonstrative adjective is in the feminine and singular, then you need to use cette to mean this or that. And if the noun the demonstrative adjective modifies is in the plural, you need to use ces to mean these or those, regardless of whether the noun is masculine or feminine. So, for example, ce chien est très gentil. This or that dog is very nice. Je me suis levé tard ce matin. I got up late this morning. J'ai hâte à cet été. I'm looking forward to this summer. The nouns being modified by the demonstrative adjectives, that is, chien, matin, and été, are all masculine and singular. So I've used ce in front of chien and matin because both words start with a consonant, and I've used cette in front of été because été starts with a vowel. Here are a couple of examples with a demonstrative adjective modifying a feminine singular noun. Cette vieille machine fonctionne toujours. This or that old machine still works. J'adore cette robe. I love this dress. Or I love that dress. And here are a couple of examples where the demonstrative adjective modifies a plural noun. Ces enfants ont l'air perdus. These children seem lost. Or those children seem lost. Regarde ces fleurs. Look at these flowers. Or look at those flowers. Notice here that although enfant is a masculine plural noun and fleur is a feminine plural noun, we've used the demonstrative adjective c'est with both, regardless of their gender. Please note that ce, cette, cette, and c'est don't make the spatial distinction that this, that, these, and those make, but in most cases what you're referring to should be obvious from the context. However, if for any reason you need to emphasize whether it's this thing or that thing you're talking about, you can add the suffixes si for this and la for that directly after the noun. This kind of distinction is particularly useful when making comparisons. So, for example, j'aimerais voir ce film-là. I would like to see that film. Ce livre-ci est très intéressant. This book is very interesting. Please bear in mind that if you want to say this one, that one, these ones or those ones, you need to use demonstrative pronouns, which in French are very different to demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative pronouns were covered in the previous lesson if you're interested. This is the end of the video. As always, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you liked it, subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye!